Hello, my name is Gabe. For this problem, we're given two matrices, A and B, and we're asked to solve for the matrix X in the equation 4B is equal to negative 2x minus 2a. So let's first begin by manipulating this equation to solve for our matrix X. Let's start by adding 2a to both sides of the equation so that we have the equation 4b plus 2a is equal to negative 2x. Here, we can divide both sides of the equation by negative 2 to obtain x is equal to negative 2b minus a. So now that we know what x is equal to in terms of our matrices A and B, we can substitute these in and solve for our matrix X. So let me just copy down this equation. X is equal to negative 2 times the matrix B minus the matrix A. And here we can substitute this matrix in for B and this matrix in for A. So we have X is negative 2 times the matrix 0, 2, negative 4 in the first row, 3, 0, 1 in the second row, and we're subtracting our matrix A, which has negative 2, 1, 3 for the first row, and it has negative 1, 0, 4 in the second row. Now before we move on, let's first consider rewriting this negative sign as a plus a negative 1 times our matrix A. So this is really negative 2 times the matrix 0, 2, negative 4, 3, 0, 1. And we're going to be adding negative 1 times our matrix A. Now we have to multiply our matrix B by negative 2. We do this by multiplying each entry in our matrix by negative 2. So in the first row, first column, we have negative 2 times 0, which is 0. First row, second column, we have negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4. First row, third column, we have negative 2 times negative 4, which is 8. Now, second row, first column, we have negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Second row, second column, we have negative 2 times 0, which is 0. And second row, third column, we have 1 times negative 2, which is negative 2. And to this, we're adding negative 1 times our matrix A. So here, we'll multiply every entry in our matrix by negative 1. And this leaves us with our first row being 2, negative 1, negative 3, and our second row being 1, 0, negative 4. Now to add these two matrices, we just have to add each corresponding entry. So the first row, first column will be 0 plus 2, which is 2. First row, second column will be negative 4 plus negative 1, which is negative 5. And first row, third column will be 8 plus negative 3, which is 5. Now in the second row, first column, we'll have negative 6 plus 1, which is negative 5. Second row, second column, we'll have 0 plus 0, which is 0. And finally, in the second row, third column, we'll have negative 2 plus negative 4, which is negative 6. Thank you.